Earthquakes. Some natural phenomena are predictable, while some others are not. Cyclones, thunderstorms are all predictable, so we can take safety measures in advance. Earthquake is an unpredictable natural phenomenon. There is no early warning for this natural disaster, so people do not have time to take precautions. Buildings, roads, human lives, etc. are at risk when an earthquake hits. What is an earthquake? A sudden shaking of Earth's surface is called an earthquake. The disturbance causes shaking in the Earth's uppermost layer. It can occur anywhere in the Earth. Duration of the quake is very short, but they can cause massive destruction. Destruction level increases with the magnitude of the earthquake. Damage to buildings, dams, bridges and roads, loss of life and property are some of the consequences of the earthquake. Floods, tsunamis, landslides, soil erosion, etc. can all cause earthquakes. What causes an earthquake? Our Mother Earth is divided into 4 parts: crust, mantle, outer core and inner core. The crust is again broken into so many parts. They are known as plates. Convection currents in the mantle push the plates to move in different directions. Plate boundaries are the most prone regions for earthquakes to happen. The converging of plates push one plate beneath the other. This takes place over thousands of years. Colliding of plates creates mountains by forcing rock layers to move upwards. When plates diverge, lava emerges from the mantle and cools to form new sections of the crust. This type of diverging plate boundaries are commonly found underwater. Some plates move very slowly alongside each other. Faults are found in edges of the plates where the crust is moving in different directions. In certain places, the plates become locked together. Energy is stored inside the locks. When more energy is formed within the locks, the stored energy is released in the form of an earthquake. The point of the earthquake's origin beneath the surface is known as the hypocenter. Other causes of earthquakes are volcanic eruptions, an underground nuclear explosion, a meteor hitting Earth, etc. In India, the regions that come under this zone are Kashmir, Western Himalaya, Central Himalaya, northeastern regions like Rann of Kutch, Rajasthan, Indo-Gangetic Plain and some areas in South India. Richter scale. It is a standard logarithmic scale used to measure the magnitude of an earthquake. An American scientist, Charles F. Richter, developed it in 1935. The range of the scale is from 0 to 10. Richter scale is not linear. That is, an earthquake measuring magnitude of 7 on the Richter scale is not proportional to an earthquake measuring a magnitude of 6. Major deadly earthquakes that have occurred in India on 26 January 2001 in Bhuj district, Gujarat, with a magnitude of 7.7. On December 26, 2004, tsunami hit the Indian Ocean with a magnitude of 9 on the Richter scale. It is the third most massive earthquake ever recorded in world history. On 8 October 2005, in Uri and Tangda towns in North Kashmir had a magnitude of 7.6. Focus or hypocenter is the point where the earthquake begins. An epicenter is a point on the surface of the earth which is directly above the focus. Vibration generated by earthquake produce waves on the earth's surface. These waves, called seismic waves, starts at the focus and spread outwards. A seismograph is an instrument used to record seismic waves. It consists of a pendulum bob and a rotating drum. A pen attached to the vibrating drum records the seismic waves on a chart paper that moves under it. Protection against earthquakes. Earthquakes can be highly destructive and unpredictable, so it is necessary to take some precautions to protect ourselves. people living in high seismic area should be more alert. What to do before an earthquake? Before constructing a building, consult qualified architects and structural engineers. If the area you select is a highly seismic area, then make use of timber or mud to make roofs and walls to make them as light as possible. Make sure that you are fixing cupboards and shelves to the walls. This avoids the sudden fall of such objects. Be careful where you hang photos, clocks, water heaters, etc. Have a firefighting equipment in proper working condition. If an earthquake occurs, what should you do? If you are at home, take shelter under a table, chair or similar objects. Stay there till the shaking stops. Stay away from tall and heavy objects that may fall on you. If you are in a bed, do not get up from there and try to protect your head with a pillow. If you are at outdoor, find a clear spot away from buildings, trees and overhead power lines. If you are in a car or a bus, do not come out. Ask the driver to drive slowly to a clear spot. Do not come out until the tremors